Welcome back, children. We'll start with the 4.2 exercise, that is multiply of the following. Okay, here we have given the fraction, so multiply the following. So here, children, we have two methods to multiply. The first is, I will just explain you. The first is 1 by 2 multiply by 3. We don't have any denominator here. We'll put a denominator 1. Okay, so here first of all we'll multiply the numerator. 3 ones are 3, and then multiply the denominator. 2 ones are 2. This is the 3 by 2. This is bigger, this is smaller. We will change into the mixed fraction. 3 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 by 2, that will be the answer. Okay, again I'll explain one more question, that is 2 3 by 5 multiply by 5. So first of all we'll calculate, we'll change into the proper fraction. 5 to the 10 plus 3, 13 by 5, and here we have 5. There is no denominator, we'll put 1. Okay students, here we have two method, so I'll write the same question here also. Okay, two method. The first method I have taught you, multiply the numerator. 13 5s are 65 divided by 5. Okay, 65 by 5, both are divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 13 by, answer is 13. When the denominator is 1, here 1 denominator, it is equal to 13. Okay, the second method, in multiplication we can divide numerator and denominator. We can divide numerator and denominator. Here this is numerator, this is denominator. This is 5, this is 5. Both are divisible by 5. Okay, so we can cancel it. We can divide it by 5. Only numerator and denominator. It can be like this, it can be like this. Okay, understood or not? Numerator and numerator we cannot cancel or we cannot divide. So see the method, another method. Both are, numerator and denominator both are divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So this is 13. It is not divisible by any number. So here 13 ones are 13. Here 1 ones are 1. So when we have denominator 1, there is no value, answer will be 13. See the answer, answer is same. One more question I will explain you. Here 5 by 6 multiply by 16. 5 by 6 multiply by 16. Okay, another method, 5 by 6 multiply by 16. Now first of all follow the first method. Okay, 16 5s are 80. This is 80 by 6 is the answer. Okay, so both are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 40 the, like 40 divided by 3. So answer is 40 divided by 3. So it is bigger, it is smaller, we have to change into the improper fraction. Sorry, yes, mixed fraction. So 13, 1 by 3 is your answer. The second method, cutting method. Okay, so here put 1, here 6 and 16 both are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Now we don't have any numerator denominator which can be cancelled. So 5 8s are, we have numerator 5 here. Now here we have 8 left. 5 8s are 40. Now here 3 and here 1. 3 1s are 3. 40 divided by 3. Same answer. Change into mixed fraction. 13 1 by 3. This is your answer. So we'll start with the 4.1 2 exercise. Okay, I will follow the second cutting method. It will be beneficial in your further classes. 1 by 2 and 3. So 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 1. So here we don't have any numerator or denominator which can be cancelled. So 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. So this is bigger, this is smaller. So we'll change into the mixed fraction. Okay, now 3 by 4 2, 3 by 4, and here 2 by 1. Okay, we'll put 1 here. Now this is 4, this is 2. Both can be cancelled by 2. Both can be divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now we don't have any other number which can be cancelled. So 3 and 1, we have left 3 and 1. 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. So 3 and 2 we will change into the mixed number. Now 5 by 6, this question now recently I have just explained, so I will not explain it again. Now 2 3 by 5 multiply by 5, so change into the improper fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 5, multiply, this is 5, 5 by 1. Okay, now here 5, here 5, denominator numerator we can cancel, both are divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Okay, here 13 is left, 13 multiply by 13, here 1 ones are 1. So here 1 is there, it is equal to 13. Now next question, 5 by 7, 7 by 15. 5 by 7, 7 by 15. Now just listen it very carefully. 7, 7. Numerator, denominator, both can be divisible by, both are divisible by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Okay, 1, 1. Now here we have 5 and here we have 15. Both are divisible by 5. Now we will say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So now we have left 1 multiply by 1, here 1 multiply by 3. 1 3s are 3. So answer is 1 by 3. Okay, now here 2 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 4. Okay, so now 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, denominator will remain same, multiply 3 by 4. Now students, here see the numerator and denominator, both can be cancelled by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay, now here 8, here 4, both can be divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, now 2 and 1 is left, 2 ones are 2, because here multiply sign is there, 1 ones are 1. So 2 by 1, answer is 2. Now next question, change into proper fraction. 10 multiply by 11, 9 multiply by 11, 99 plus 2, 101 by 9, 8 5s are 40 plus 3, 43 by 5. Like here denominator and numerator, they are not divisible by any number. So we will multiply 101 multiply by 43, 4 3 4 3, 9 5s are 45. Now we will change into the mixed fraction. Okay, divide and change into the mixed fraction. Now the next question is 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 8 by 9. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 8 by 9. Now just see, this is 4 and this is 4, this is 8. Both are divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, now just see here, this is 2 and this is 2. Denominator, numerator, both are divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now we have 3 here and 9 here. Both are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Just see what is left here. 1 1 1. So 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1, answer is 1. And here 1 multiply by 1 1, 1 multiply by 3 3. So your answer is 1 by 3. The next question is 3 by 7. 3 by 7, calculate it, 11 by 9. Now 2 by 3. Now how to solve it? Now just see, 3 and 3. 3 and 3, they can be cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now there is no other number which can be calculated or like cancelled. So 11, 1, 11s are 11. 11 multiplied by 2, that is 22. Denominator, 7 9s are 63. 63 ones are 63. So it is, we cannot change into the mixed fraction because this is smaller, this is bigger. So this is your answer. So the last question of this exercise is, calculate it 9 by 4, calculate it 16 by 5, calculate it 8 by 3. Now change it. How to calculate? Okay. Now see, this is 4 and this is 16 and 8. 4 is divisible like 16 and 8 both are divisible by 4. So you can divide it by any number. So 4 ones are 4. Okay. 4 4s are 16. Now 9 and 3 both are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 3s are 9. Now there is no other number which can be divisible. Now here 3, 4 and 8. 3 4s are 12. Okay, 12 8s are 96. 3 4s are 12. 12 8s are 96. And here we have only 1 5 1 1. 1 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. So 5. 96 by 5. Bigger, smaller will change into the mixed fraction. The answer will be 19 1 by 5. How to change? 96 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. Here 4 6. 9 5s are 45. So here 1 is the answer. Will start from here. And the denominator will be same. This is 5. 19 1 by 5. That is your answer. So students, here we have finished 4.2 exercise. The next video will start with the 4.3 exercise. Thank you very much.